Then, a new report this evening raising some concerns about domestic violence, which, as we know, sadly is surging, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Just last week, Summer and Vanel Stamps were killed at this apartment complex on Holly Springs Drive. The family tells us the suspect, Chris Martin, was dating Summer. Martin also took his own life. That latest example highlights the need to address domestic violence here in central Indiana. Fox 59's Eric Groves actually shows us what advocates say can be done by all of us to save lives.
The violence escalated, so we were seeing more firearms involved, we were seeing more strangulation, more threats of lethality.
Tuesday, Kelly McBride and the Domestic Violence Network released a report on the state of domestic violence in 2020, showing how it was impacted by the pandemic.
The stressors of COVID, so loss of job, loss of housing, isolating with your abuser when you don't have a chance to go to work or go to school.
Domestic violence calls to IMPD nearly doubled in 2020 compared to 2019. COVID also complicated how many people shelters could help because of social distancing restrictions. DVN had money to put those turned away from shelters up in hotels, and since the pandemic restrictions have eased, they have noticed there is less need for those services.
We do still have that money available, but we're not seeing it used nearly as much as we were in the past 2 years.
Daniette Smith with the Office of Public Health and Safety says she's seen the impact the pandemic has had on domestic violence, but says there are reasons for hope.
We were able to see, even with Q1 of 2022 this year, that our numbers have decreased.
In its report, the Domestic Violence Network outlined recommendations to help the situation. The first, continued funding.
We received nearly $250,000 this year, and it's mid-April, and half of it's gone.
As the pandemic impacts continue to recede, McBride isn't sure where domestic violence trends will go next, but says they need to be prepared.
On the one hand, it could go down because there's not the crisis anymore, but on the other hand, maybe people are more aware of the relationship they're in and the life that they're living right now.
Reporting in Indianapolis, Eric Graves, Fox 59 News.
And if you were in a situation where you're being intimidated or threatened, there is help and there is hope. The other two recommendations in that report point to more education on healthy relationships, especially for our young people, and more accountability for firearms to be taken from domestic violence offenders.
Well,